in the ATL. That's my homeboy. Watch your back if you're gonna walk alone, boy. Cause everybody in the homeboys tryna get rich. You could get hit even if you know 'em, boy. We the kings of the South. Pies in the oven, grills in the mouths. Count stacks is a usual norm. College Park, bank here where the hustle was born. So peace up and A-Town down. 4-4 living with the 808 sound. Nightlife popping, ain't nobody stopping. Cutting up a rug when the beat dropping. The dirty birds nest here, and then they haters get to talking. Then they falling on the deaf ears. This is where trap music was born. On the 50-yard line of the Georgia Dome in the ATL. Pop that, drop that, dirty birds, you ain't never gonna stop that. ATL. We the best, this dirty South.
Picking up the concrete.
Off to the job site. Make some money, boys.
New York City, pretty and gritty, home of Biggie and Diddy. Come on, holla at me if you're feeling proud. This where the people move a mile a minute with stylish gimmicks. Come on, if you with it, man, say it loud.
New York.
The feeling is right, I'm stealing the night. Guided by Lady Liberty's light. So if you tryna win the rat race, keep it moving fast paced. Always keep your dreaming in sight. Now, this where the nation unites. This where the pop melts. You from the bottom, now you drinking from the top shelf. Times change, but you always remember. Used to take the J train, never use it as a